What are the best tools for managing divorce documentation? Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with Divorce661.com. One of the fastest ways to delay your divorce or drive yourself crazy is by losing track of your paperwork. But with the right tools, managing your divorce documents can be simple, organized, and stress-free. Let's go over the best tools we recommend for staying on top of everything. The first thing you'll want is a secure cloud storage system like Google Drive or Dropbox. You can use it to organize your forms, court notices, financial disclosures, and signed agreements all in one place. Create folders by category like court filings, financial docs, and communications so everything is easy to find when you need it. Next, consider using a document scanner app on your phone like Adobe Scan or CamScanner. These let you digitize physical paperwork quickly, so you're not keeping piles of paper around, or worse, losing something important. We worked with a client who created a shared Google Drive with labeled folders for each step of their case. Not only did it help them stay organized, but it also made it easier for us to collaborate and complete their paperwork faster. At Divorce 661, we also use secure online forms for client intake and financial disclosures. This eliminates the hassle of printing, scanning, or mailing documents back and forth, and keeps everything court compliant and easy to review. If you're co-parenting, a tool like OurFamilyWizard or TalkingParents can help document communication, share schedules, and even upload receipts for expenses, all of which can come in handy if court orders need to be enforced later. If you're starting or in the middle of a divorce and want to stay organized from day one, visit Divorce661.com for a free consultation. We'll guide you through the process and help you manage your documentation the smart way, so nothing gets lost, delayed, or missed.